What's up, YouTube? It's your boy RD3 Brewers here with another banger of a video. I'm here with Worldwide. We're about to show y'all how my weekend went. Went out to Klutch Kickers this weekend. It was insane. I didn't even remember the event was happening. I was just happening to go over there for another type of meet that was going on over there, and I actually stumbled upon Klutch Kickers. It's fucking cool. That's all I know. But anyways, I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. This is just the intro.
Nonetheless, Nick Ward definitely initiated by entry from, so it's going to come down to where exactly did they, did Byron initiate at? Oh, here we go. They're going back again. This car sounds amazing. There's two S15s out here. That's right, Sean Booth and Sebastian is here. All
Alright guys, we're back here. Drivers. Look at this sick ass Superman. Fabric is crazy on this. Fuel tank. Not a TJZ. What's a Barra or Barra, whatever it is from the Ford? That's sick as fuck. I don't know if I got a video of this guy ripping it, but he was hitting it hard. Either way. So fucking cool. I look like a weirdo walking around with this little bag. This R32 is crazy. And Juku Racing. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop fangirling over Adam LZ. The VSKS? 236. 235. And it's a 335D. It was FC though. Fucking crazy. Taxi garage. Got people working on cars. I'm like the only one recording. Pretty sure that was Alberto. Nitrous outlet. Here's Adams. Adams Cool Toys. Sheesh. Crazy guys, cool. This is the car that actually caught on fire. I don't think I got that on camera, but sick ass fool. I look like an idiot, probably. I don't care, guys.
He's gonna be working blood, sweat, and tears to get ready. Here we go. As you can see, Taylor Ray stepping back a little bit, trying to maybe use that roll start. He's very good at timing that roll start, has been in the past, and it's done a lot.
That Miata lost it back there, you saw it?
exciting. My heart's pumping.
Jeez.
Let's see here, Ben. Let's take a look at
Adam LZ's in the clear.
I'm still trying to de-stress from this because
Oh, he's gonna take his 5-minute break now.
Escalated very quickly, and then just de-stressing it as they go ahead and do what happened. Maybe loss of power, maybe a mechanical problem. Who knows? You see, Jonathan Aaron is actually making his way off the track, so now he may be calling a 5-minute timeout. Adam LZ back on the line, ready to do battle. So exactly what? Maybe we can get word from the pits exactly what's going on, because
I believe Adam LZ has secured a good amount of points where after this round, he still may be the #1 points leader going into round 4. But nonetheless, Jonathan Aaron, he wants to gain his position up in the position in the standing. Sustained some damage to the front end of that car on that driver's side. Give it up for Jonathan Aaron and Adam LZ, putting it all on the line, giving the fans what they came here to see. Just all-out battles. Great job.
Damn, rip, excellent.
Watching a replay here, but we do have the rescue workers going down to check on Jonathan Aaron.
Round 3, the Klutch Kickers $100,000 Drift Series, taking home $10,000 in the Drift HQ BMW E36. Adam LZ! To Jonathan Aaron, taking home $5,000. Congratulations to Jonathan Aaron, Adam LZ, Dirk Stratton, Alec Hunnadale, Josiah Blaze, and all the other drivers and fans out here. You guys have done a tremendous job. Watch your eyeballs. Go ahead, start going. Go, go, go. There you go. Shake it up, shake it up. All right, guys. We got the next round coming up. You guys want to stay tuned to the
He can't get it open.
points race is turning out. Our next round, back here at the Freedom Factory.
Alright, y'all, so thank y'all for watching. I know this is the same as the intro, that's why I told y'all this is the intro and the outro. But I really appreciate it. Really had fun at Klutch Kickers. Wasn't my best filming experience. I'm new to filming and stuff like that, so I'm definitely putting out some tricks and kinks and stuff like that. So stay tuned. I got a couple more vlogs dropping, but after these vlogs drop, I'm actually going to be vlogging our trip to Clean Culture West Palm Beach. Each video I say Daytona West Palm Beach. I don't know why I do that, but it's Clean Culture West Palm Beach. We're going to be showing out with the boys. We're going to be showing out with Mango BK2. That's my boy George, homie. You already know how it is. We're going to be showing out with Shadow Z34. That's the boy Laz. And hopefully we get some more of the boys to come in. If not, it's all right. We're still going to have a fun time. We're going to be kicking it out there with Adam LZ. Just crazy amount of creators and content and clean ass cars. So it's going to be a drift event. It's going to be burnouts. It's going to be fucking two-step. It's going to be limbo. We're going to be doing all that shit. And I got a better camera, y'all. So now you already know it's going down. This time for real. Because last time I just had my gimmicky camera, which I'm probably going to use as a second shot. But yeah, guys, so really stay in tune. I got a lot of heat coming for y'all. I got a lot of content creators. I got a lot of content creativeness coming up in here. So we're going to be trying to up the ante. I'm not just trying to drop DIYs. I'm trying to make some cool videos so y'all can chill, sit back, watch while y'all kicking it at home. But yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching this one. If y'all want to see more like this, you know, like, subscribe. It's only going to get better. You know what I'm saying? It's only going to get better. So that's it for this video. Appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, dislike. I already said it a million times because that's what I live by. But yeah, I really appreciate y'all. And that's it for this video. And remember, drive until broken and keep fucking shit up. I guess that's our motto for this channel for now. Peace.